To my channel AKS Bright 12th Computer Application Second Unit Page Maker. Continue this topic. Working with pages. The main purpose of the page maker composing the pages. You can insert the new pages into your document. Remove and exiting pages, moving the between pages and short pages in a large document. This all things using these pages. Insert and remove பண்ணலாம், நீங்கள் எடிட் பண்ணலாம், தென் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ கோயிங் டு எ ஸ்பெசிஃபிக் பேஜஸ். இப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு இப்போ 1000 பேஜஸ் வச்சுருக்கீங்கன்னா பர்டிகுலர் பேஜஸ்க்கு நீங்கள் மட்டும் போகும். அந்த பர்டிகுலர் பேஜை செலக்ட் பண்ணோன்னா we can use this going to specific pages. ஓகேவா? ஸோ பேஜ் மேக்கர் ப்ரொவைட் த செவரல் மெத்தட்ஸ் navigating the pages in your applications. Okay. So method 1, method 3, method the insert the page is there. First method you can move from one page to another by using this page up then page down. Okay. Keys on your keyboard. This is the properly the navigation method you will use the most often. You can move from the one page to another page using the page icon, the left button of the screen. Click the page icon corresponding to the page that you want to view. The page is display. Whatever page you want, you can press the left hand side keys and choose it. Another one method is there. Using to go to the page dialog box, refer to the 2.52 and 2.53. Layout, go to page number. So Alt Control plus G. Specify the page number, automatically appear the current page. Okay, we can choose the layout option, go to page number, here give the page number, that page will appear. Okay, we can press the OK button, that page will appear. So inserting the page, if you want another extra you page you want using this insert page, you can add the more pages to a document. Insert page before after between, we can insert the page if you want before and after. Okay, the currently when you insert the page maker automatically renumber the page in your application. Okay, so insert page, how to insert this layout, insert page, choose the layout, insert page. So go to the layout menu, select the insert page. Okay, type the number of pages you want to insert. To insert the page after the current page, choose after the pop-up menu will appear. We can choose which page after you want this page. Here starting, then which page after, here next insert the new page or insert in your applications. Okay, if you don't want that page, we can using the remove option. So you can remove the unused pages from your document. Remove the page dialog box. Layout, remove page dialog box. We can choose the layout menu, select the remove page, that page is removed. So type the page range you want to remove. Okay, which page you don't want, that page use and remove. Okay, then master page. Any text or object that you place on the master page will appear on the entire document pages, to which the master supply the shortened amount of the because you don't have to create the same object repeatedly the subsequent pages. The master page commonly contain the repeated logos, page number, headers, footers. They also contain the non-printing layouts, guides such as the column guides, ruler guides and the margin guides. Okay, a master icon cannot be selected on a document pages. You can create, modify and select delete object on master page just like any other object, but you must do some of the master pages themselves. At the lower left corner of the document window, you can find an icons represent the master page. So L or the letter L and R, L denotes the left and R denotes the right. The mark the master page icon from the facing the pages. The single side publication icon marking by R. Yeah, this is the scale marking. Here master page icon R is there. Page icon 1 is there. The inserting the page numbers in master page to make the page number appear on the every pages. Click on the master page icon, click on the test tool. Now the cursor change on I-beam. Click on the left margin page where you want the put the page number. So press Ctrl plus Alt plus P. Page number display LM. LM na left to merge page. And the similar click the right master page where you want to put the page number. Ctrl Alt plus P. Okay, the page number display RM on the right master page. Yeah, see this left merge, right merge. Here see margin give. So hiding the master item. To make the master item invisible on the particular page, switch to the appropriate page. Choose view display master. We can use the display master here. Choose. Then showing master palette. Master page palette organize all the commands you will need to work with the master. So window show master page. Okay. Master page petals. This also master pages, master page stuff, master page list. The creating master. By default, all PageMaker document have the master page already create a master document. But sometimes you will require more than one master page. You can set up the multiple master pages for any publication. Each page contains the specific combines the header and footer and page number, frame, other elements you want to use over and over. Okay, உங்களுக்கு தேவைன்னா இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So when you create the new master page, you will be asked the name of the new master page and set this margin and column guide to create a master page. So click on master page icon. New master dialog box will appear. Enter the name of the new master page in name. Make the appropriate change in the margin and column guide field. Click on OK. The new master page appear in the master page palette. Okay. Yeah, this is the master screen setting. This is the master page settings. Okay. Then print document. Yeah, mostly this lesson is over print. Yeah, this is the print document. Everything completed. Choose the print option. File print. Okay. Or Control P. The print the document dialog box will appear. So choose the settings, the print document dialog box. Select the printer from the print drop down list box. Choose the pages to the print. Page groups box selected on the following available. Yeah, first one is the all. Second one is the ranges. Select the all, select the range. Yeah, this is the print screen. So how many copies, how many pages you print you want. Yeah, this we can give this number. You can come out to separate the page number, hidden the print pages, perform the page number, whatever page you want, that page select and take print. Okay, if you want all, now you give the all. Okay, next print, you can also print only odd numbers or even numbers pages, odd pages or even number pages. Print drop down list box is there. Okay, so how many copies you want? If you collected the pages is or not, suppose you want the print 4 copies, that which page number you want the 4 copy, we can give here. The page maker will first print 4 copies, page number 1 and page number 4. Okay, we can give the examples. Okay, if you want to 5 1, you can give the 1 to 5. So automatically print diagram, select and press OK button, the document will printed. Okay, yeah, this lesson is over, friend. If you like this video, if you want before that video, please subscribe my channel. I complete 2 lessons. First lesson is multimedia, second lesson is page maker. So now lockdown period, not having book, poor children also not having, that's why I take this video. Please subscribe my channel, share your friends. Anybody computer 12th computer students is there, your relation, your friends, anybody is there, please share this link. Please subscribe my channel. Bye. Next class la ungala paakren. Bye.